Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Target 100 in Mathematics by Shivesh Kumar Singh. Now we are going to revise for term 1 examination for grade 6 and video can be little longer, so let's start the lesson. Everyone please try to understand all the things, okay, because I'll try to explain the concept and then I'll do the questions. So let's start it. See, here in this question it is Saif picked 40 oranges in 5 minutes. At this rate, how many oranges he will pick per minute? Okay, now here you need to understand one thing, that per yani it is 1, okay, or you can say each minute or per minute. For 1 minute all the meanings are same. Okay, now you see what is given here. First is time and another is orange. So you can do this question in many ways, like it is 5 minutes and 40 oranges, and how much time it is given, 1 minute. And for 1 minute of course he will pick less number of oranges, we don't know this thing. So what we can do, we can do it with the ratio concept or simple unit conversion. Okay, so from 5 you want to get 1, so what you will do, you will divide it by 5. I told you before also that here you need to multiply or divide, you will not add or subtract because we are talking about ratio. So 5 divided by 5 will be equal to 1. So same division you will do here also. So here also you will divide it by 5. So it will be 40 divided by 5 is equal to 8. Okay, so its answer will be 8 oranges. Okay, now next question can be, what percent is represented by this 10 by 10 grid? Now you see total how many boxes, 100 boxes. Yes, small boxes 100. Okay, and how many are colored, 46, because 10, 20, 30, 40 and then 4 less. Okay, so it is 46, total 46 boxes are colored, so its percent will be 46%. Now this question can be asked in different ways with the same picture. Okay, like this is the first type of question, that what percent, so 46%. Another question can be like, what fraction is represented by this picture? So you can see what fraction is represented here, 46 divided by 100. This can be one answer. Another question can be, what fraction in simplest form, in simplest form can be represented with this picture? So 46 over 100 will not be the answer because you will have to write this in simplest form. So what we can do here, 46 can be written as 23 multiplied by 2 and 100 can be written as 50 multiplied by 2. This is basically the prime factorization. So I don't want to waste your time in all these small things. So just I am doing it quickly. Okay. Now you can see numerator and denominator. One number is same, 2. So its answer will be 23 over 50. This is another type of question. Third type of question can be that what decimal is represented by this picture. So what you can see, 46 over 100 means 0.46 is the decimal for this picture. Okay, so you can understand that how we can vary the question for the same type of question or same type of picture. Now another question can be, Hassan spends 15% of the school day in science classes. If he spent 75 minutes in science class, how many minutes long he is Hassan's school day? So you see this, what normally students do the mistake here. I will suggest you to pause the video and do the question yourself. See what the common mistake here students do, like 15% of 75 and then they get the answer, and then it is, of course it is wrong, because he is not spending 15% of 75. In fact 75 is the 15% of the total time. So here we don't know the total time, so 15% of time is equal to 75. Now here you can do this question in two ways. One, by the simple percent method, that is 15% means divided by 100, of means multiply time we don't know, full time we don't know, is equal to 75. Now you can see here, we can, by reciprocal, we can multiply this 100 over 15 both sides. So you will get time is equal to 75 times 100 over 15. Now 75 divided by 15, it will become 5 and answer will be 500. Okay. Another way to do this question is 15% means 15 from 100. So how much for 75? It was 100 and then 15. So how much time for 75? So you can see 15 times 5 will be 75. So 100 times 5 will be equal to 500. Okay. It is up to you. Whatever you think that it is convenient for you, it is easy for you, you can practice with that method. Okay. Now, next question can be, divide this in simplest form. Now, my dear students, here you will remember one thing. What is that thing? Whenever you are dealing with the division of fractional number, that fraction number may be both or it can be any one, then what simple thing you will remember here? If you remember, I have told you in the class also, a divided by b, and if it is divided by another fraction c over d, then it can be written as, first of all, this division will be converted into multiplication. Before division, fraction before division, there will be no change, and fraction after division, it will be reciprocated. So after this you can simplify. So what we can do here, first of all, convert this division into multiplication. Before division there will be no change, and after division there will be reciprocal. Now you can see 5 up and 5 down cancel. 12 divided by 6 will be equal to 2. So its answer will be 2. Okay. Now, next question can be, a survey showed that 4 out of 5 students. Now, just try to read the question carefully and then you can do it very easily. 4 out of 5. So, they have bicycle. So, I am writing in short here, it is bicycle and it is total. So, 4 students from 5 students, they have bicycle, and if there are total 800 students, total 800 students, then how many will have bicycle? Okay. Now, this can be very easy for you. Just divide 800 by 5. Here with the help of this example, I am telling you long division also. Just take one number here, 8. So, how many groups of 5 we can make into 8? Only one group. So, 5 times 1, 5, minus 8 minus 5, 3, 1 0 come down, 5 times 6, 30, finish, and then this 0 can go up. So 160. So if you multiply 160 with 5, you will get 800. So same multiplication you will do here also. So 160 multiplied by 4 is equal to 600. 40 people will have bicycle. Okay. Now next question can be, a water park gave the local school 10,500 free tickets. The school has 350 students. Each student will receive the same number of tickets. How many tickets will each student receive? Now you see, when something has to be distributed equally, same number of tickets each student, it means question is talking about division. Okay. So here we can divide it. How? Just you see, this 0 and this 0 cancelled. Maybe you can do it directly also without cancelling the 0, but I want you to deal with the smaller number. Okay. So 35 divides 1050. So this is, you see, 1 is a small number, 35 is a big number. So you will take 0 also again. 10 is a small number, 35 is a big number. So you will take 3 digit. So 105. How many groups of 35 you can make into 105? Now, for such questions, I will suggest you to write the table of 35 just in one go, all. 35 times 1, 35 times 2, 35 times 3, like this. It will save your time if it is a long division. Okay. So if you will see here, then you can find 35 times 3 will be 105. So we can make here 3 groups. So 105 here, minus 0, and this 0 can go up. So this is 30 tickets each student will receive. Okay. Like this you can do the question. Now, another question can be, write this number as a decimal. Now you can see 9 divided by 12. So we can do by direct division, or you can first simplify so that you can have a smaller number. 12 and 9 also not a big number. Okay, let's do it directly. So 12 divides 9. So this is 9 is a small number, 12 is a big number. So it will be divided for 0 times and then decimal point. For this decimal, here it will be 0. Now how many groups of 12 you can make into 90? I think it will be 7 groups. 12 times 7, 84, minus it will be 6, then 1 0. How many groups of 12 you can make into 60? 5 groups. So this will be 12 times 5, 60, and then 0. Okay, so its answer will be 0.75. And if the question is convert this into percent, so what you can do, either in this answer you just multiply by 100 and you will get 75% as the answer. This is the extra thing I am telling you. Okay, for as far as decimal is concerned, this will be finished here only. Okay, or you can do 9 by 12 multiplied by 100. You can calculate this also to get the percent. Okay, now next question can be, when working on homework, Shaima spends 15 minutes reading for every 20 minutes spent on math. Okay, now you see, just read the question carefully and write it so that we can save our time here. Reading and for every 20 minutes spent on math. Okay, so it is 15 minutes and for 20 minutes on math. Aisha spends 12 minutes reading for every 15 minutes on math. Which person has the greatest ratio? Now, do you remember the meaning of the word ratio? Ratio means division. And division of what? Here you need to understand that it will be reading time divided by math time, or math time divided by the reading time, because if you do the small mistake, question will be wrong. So here question will tell you what you have to do. So ratio of minutes spent on reading to minutes on math. So they are saying reading first and math second. So it should be reading divided by math. Okay, so what ratio here we are getting? You see, 15 divided by 20. Just due to lack of space, I am doing it directly, so it cannot be divided. So 0.27 are 140 and then 10 5. I think it will be 0.75 for Shaima, and for Aisha it will be 12 over 15, and if you divide by the long division method, you will get, I think it will be 15 8 are 120. So what you can see, which ratio is greater? Aisha ratio is greater. Okay, so ratio of Aisha is greater than ratio of Shaima. Now next is find the value of. Now this type of questions are very easy, just you will have to be little careful. So before starting this question, I will tell you one thing. If you have plus multiplied by plus, then its answer will be plus. If you have minus multiplied by minus, then answer will be plus. If you have plus multiplied by minus or minus multiplied by plus, then in both the cases answer will be minus. So what you can understand here, if you are multiplying two positives or two negatives, then its answer will be positive, and if you are multiplying the opposite signs, then its answer will be negative. So let's do it step by step. This is minus of minus 7. So what you can see here, these two minus will make positive 7. Okay, and now this is negative and this is positive, so different sign, so its answer will be minus 7. Okay, like this you can do this question. Now there are 800 calories in 3 scoops of vanilla ice cream. How many calories are there in 7 scoops? Now you see, this is scoops and this is calories. So this is 3 scoop, 810 calories. So 7 scoop, how many calories it will be? So what you can do here, see, we cannot divide this thing, so it will create problem. Okay, so we can go like this. So 3 and 810, can we find the division? 810 divided by 3, this is 3 2s are 6 minus 2, 1 comes down, 3 sevens are 21, this is minus 0 and this 0 goes up. So this is 270. So 3 multiplied by 270 will be equal to 810. So similarly, here you will multiply 7 by 210 and what you will get here? 210 multiplied by 7 is equal to 7 times 0, 0, 7 times 1, 7, 7 times 2, 14, 1470 calories. Okay. Now, next question can be divide. Again, we have got the same question like division of the fractional number. So, what you will do here? First of all, before division, no change. Division will be converted into multiplication, and after division, fractional will be reciprocated. So, it will be 7 over 2, and you can see here we cannot divide these things. So, 7 times 5, 35 divided by 2. Okay. Of course, this is not going to be the answer because numerator is bigger than denominator. Do you recall the name of such fraction? If you have recalled, then write the fraction in the comment. Its name is improper fraction. Okay. What we say? Improper fraction when numerator is greater than denominator. Numerator is greater than denominator. So, what we do in this case? In this case, you will divide to write this in mixed fraction. So, it will be 17 groups. I am doing it little directly, and 1 will be the remainder. So, 17 is the whole number and 1 over 2. This will be the answer. Now, next question can be cans of corns are on the sale at 10 for 20 dirhams. So, 10 cans cost is 20 dirham. Find the cost of the 15 cans. So, what you can see, what ratio, what relation you can see here? Cost is just double of the number of cans. So, 10 multiplied by 2 is 20. So, same here, 15 multiplied by 2, it will be equal to 30. Like this, you can finish this question. Another question can be, identify the ordered pair that names point D. Now, our ordered pair, just as a revision for you, ordered pair means any point with x, y like this. First value is the value of x-axis and second value is the value on y-axis, and you can see there are 4 quadrants. This is called quadrant 1, this is called quadrant 2, this is called quadrant 3, and this is called quadrant 4. In first quadrant, x is positive and y is also positive. In second quadrant, x is negative and y is positive. In third quadrant, both are negative. And in fourth quadrant, x is positive but y is negative. Okay, this is just additional information I have given you. And every time you just count from 0. Okay, now you can see here, identify the ordered pair of D. Okay, so D is here, you can see. So, what is the value here? You see, one box is half, okay, because 2 blocks are counting 1 here. So, sometimes the student do the mistake, they count the boxes. So, they will take it like 1, 2, 3. No, it is not 3 because half, 2 boxes are making 1. So, this is 0.5, then 1 and then 1.5. This is 1.5 for x, 1.5 for x, and y it is positive because we are moving in right hand side. Okay, and now you will go down. So, minus half minus 1. You can see like this also, here it is minus 1. So, minus 1 for y. This will be the answer. Okay, I will suggest you to pause the video and write all the coordinates, ordered pair for A, B, C and E. Okay, write the ordered pairs in the comment. Now, next question can be, refer to the circle graph. Suppose there are 300 students total at a school. Find the number of students that have cheese as a snack. So, what you have to see here, you have to focus only on cheese. Okay. So, it is 15% of 300 because they say 300 total students in the school. So, now it is very easy question for you. 15% means 15 divided by 100, of means multiply 300. Now, 2 zeros will be cancelled with these 2 zeros. 15 multiplied by 3 will be equal to 45. Okay. Now again I will suggest you to find all these numbers like fruits, how many students, no snacks, how many students, chips, how many students, cookies, how many, and veggies, how many students. Okay. Now next question can be, a bakery sells fresh muffins sold in small or large boxes. Okay. Now you see in the table they have given for small, and we have to find for the large. Okay. So we'll see what we have to find. The manager of the bakery wants to maintain the same ratio of each type of muffin in the large box as in the small box. If the large box contains 9 chocolate muffins, okay, chocolate 9. So how many blueberry muffins? So here blueberry muffins, how many? We don't know. So here you see in the small box, how many chocolate? 3. How many blueberries? 2. So it is 3 and here it is 2. So what you can see? 3 multiplied by 3 is equal to 9 because we have to maintain the same ratio. So here also 2 will be multiplied by 3. It means it will be equal to 6. Okay. Like this you can write the question and you can solve it. Now next question can be, order the set from the least to greatest. Now in such question you will have to be little careful because these questions take time. Okay. But I'll try my level best to explain you very easy thing. Now you see here two numbers are negative and two numbers are positive, and we have to write from least to greatest, means small to big. Okay. So what you can do, of course negative number will be smaller than positive number, so minus 2.5 and minus 3 over 4, any one of these two will be first and second. Okay. And then after 1.5 and 1 over 7 will be third or fourth. Okay. So now we are sure that first second will be from these two and third fourth from these two. So let's talk about these numbers now. Okay. See, this is minus 2.5 is okay, no problem. Here it is in fraction, so you can divide it. So 3 divided by 4, it will be 0.047 are 28, minus 2, 0, 4 5s are 20. Just a long division. Okay. So its value is 0.75 with minus. So minus 2.5 and minus 0.75. Which number is bigger? Sorry, which number is smaller? Smaller is minus 2.5 because in positive case it will be bigger. Or you can have so many hints to remember all these things, that in negative number if it is away from 0 then its value will be smaller. So first smallest number will be minus 2.5 and then it will be minus 0.75. Now let's talk about 1.5 and 1 over 7. 1 over 7 we'll divide by the same way. So it's smaller, so 0 point, here we'll put 0, 7 ones are 7 and then minus 3. Okay. So you can see its value is 0.1 something. So it is 1 over 7 comes first and then 1.5. And here you can write minus 3 over 4 for this. Okay. One more thing here you can see that numerator was smaller than denominator. So definitely its number should be less than 1 and this number is bigger than 1. So it will be the biggest number. Okay. Like these are the shortcuts by which you can get the answer easily. Now next question can be, Sana decided to donate 30% of her saving if she has 248 dirham in her saving account. About how much will she donate? So easy question for you. 30% of 248. So this is 30 over 100 times 248. So let's talk about this. 10 will be cancelled out. See, by estimation also you can find the answer because 248 will be equal to approximately, it is closer to 250. So this 10 also will be cancelled out with this, and then 3 multiplied by 25 will be equal to 75. Okay. Now my dear students, see, if it is multiple choice question, then answer which is closer to 75 will be the answer, and of course it should be just smaller than 75 because 248 was just smaller than 250. Okay. But if it is a free response question, then definitely you are going to do like this by taking estimation. Why did I take estimation here? Because they say here about how much money. Okay. Next question can be write in simplest form. So what you will do for this? First of all, it is written in mixed fraction. Yes, mixed fraction. So first you will write in improper fraction. So what you will do? 4 multiplied by 3 and then plus the numerator. So it will be 4 multiplied by 3 plus 3 over 4 divided by sorry 3 multiplied by 1 plus 2 divided by 3. Now this is 4 3s are 12 and 3, 15 over 4 times, it will be reciprocated. So 3 over 3 ones are 3 and 2 5. Now you can see 15 can be divided by 5, it will be 3 times. So 3 times 3, 9, 9 over 4. Okay. Now this cannot be simplified further, and we can write in that mixed fraction because numerator is bigger than denominator. So what it will be? 4 divides 9, 4 times 2, 8, then 1. So it will be 2 and 1 over 4. Like this you can finish the question. Now next question can be, Leila is running laps around the track. The time in minutes and the number of laps run are shown in the graph. Which of the following is true about the ratio relationship? Now I think this question is incomplete. Okay, no problem. See, what are the different possibilities for this question? Like in 1 minute, how much she is running? 4 minutes for 1 lap. Okay, so its unit rate is 4 minutes for 1 lap. It is called per lap or 1 lap. Okay. So similarly, you can find 3 minutes, for 3 laps, 12 minutes. So like this, you can study the graph and then you can give the answer. Next question can be, write the ordered pair that is the reflection of this point across x-axis. Now, my dear students, remember one thing. If you need to find reflection of xy in x-axis, okay, then what you will do? Value of x will be same, sign of y will be changed. If here it is positive, here it will be negative. If here it is negative, here it will become positive. And if you are finding the reflection in y-axis, then value sign of x will be changed and value of y will remain same. Okay. So with the help of this concept, you see they are saying minus 3 and 1 over 2 and 2. We have to see the reflection in x-axis. So x-axis means value of x will remain same and value of y will be changed with negative sign. So you see here it was positive and here it is negative. So this will be the answer, minus 3.5 and minus 2. Next is, graph the set of integers on number line. Okay, see these are the number, just write it here. You can make it at your own, or if there is any graph, then you can select it. Okay, so 0, negative numbers are in the left, so minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. Here it is 1, 2, 3. So it is minus 6 comes here, minus 4 comes here, and then 2 comes here. Okay, like this you can do this question. Another question can be, write this as the percent. So I think in the last question, before few questions, I told you, first of all you write it into improper fraction. So it will be 4 times 5 plus 1 over 5, and since we have to deal with the percent, so multiplied by 100. Okay, so 100 divided by 5 is 20. 4 times 5, 20 plus 1, 21 multiplied by 20, and what it will be? It will be 420%. Okay, like this you can do the question, or here you can do one more thing, that it was 4 and 1 over 5. So just convert 1 over 5. So 1 over 5 multiplied by 100, it will be equal to 20, and just 4 right before this. So it will be 420%. Up to you, whatever you want you can do. Okay. Now next question can be, Abdullah is making a snack mix for his family camping trip. He added 14.52 ounces of peanuts to 27.35 ounces of granola. how many ounces of snack mix does he have? Okay, so just simple add them. Now here for addition or subtraction of the number with decimal point, you will have to be little careful. Okay, so both the decimal should be just properly up and down. Now before decimal you have 27, after decimal you have 3 5. Just add them. So this is 5 and 2, 7, 5 and 3, 8, 4 and 7, 11, 1 carry forward, 1, 1, 2 and 2, 4, like this. Okay. Next question can be find 0.15 multiplied by 0.023. Now, what I told you for multiplication or division of decimal numbers, first of all, remove this decimal point. Okay. So, what is the number here? Number is 15 and 23. Just multiply them. So, this is 5 3s are 15, 1 carry forward, 3 1s are 3 and 1, 4. Here 1 0, 2 5s are 10, 1 next number, 2 1s are 2 and 1 3. So it is 5, it is 4, it is 3. I am adding it. Okay. So we got here 345. Now we will work on decimal point. So you see here 2 decimal places, because after decimal point you have 2 numbers, and here 3 decimal places. So in multiplication what we do? We add the decimal places. So total it should be 5 decimal places in the answer, means after the decimal point you should have 5 numbers. So but unfortunately we have 3 numbers. So what you will do? Make 2 zeros more. Now put here decimal and then 0 here, and this will be the answer. Okay. Hope you understood these questions, and if there is any problem then you can write in the comment. I can make another videos for the specific lesson, or if you want to understand some extra topic like ratio, percent, coordinate, reflection, distance, anything, absolute value. Okay. So I will make another video for that specific lesson, but if you think that such videos will help you to increase your knowledge, please like and subscribe my channel and share with your friends, and good luck for your exams. Thank you.